Hello guys and welcome to Top 4 Earn channel. One of the first steps is to log into the app that pays people in 5 different ways, then get other people to log into the app for you, and finally, get your money on Autopilot. Click on the subscribe button below this video to subscribe and make sure you click that little notification bell before I show you how to earn $450 plus. You can see right here where I sent you a big PayPal payment for just logging into this new app. I'll be able to notify you on the latest ways to make money online. However, results are not guaranteed. You may earn more, the same, or even a little less than this, but I can guarantee you that if you do not follow the exact steps throughout this entire video, you may not earn any money at all. This kind of result is not possible for you, so make sure you stick to it all the way through and do not skip any steps. Here are 3 steps to earning $457 in 5 minutes with this new app. The first step is to reveal the new online app that is paying people daily, and the second step is to reveal the 5 income streams available to you. Step number 3 is going to demonstrate how you can automate your earnings by having others log in for you and begin earning for you. Okay, let's get started now. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's a list of the different payment methods this app uses worldwide. That means it works everywhere, and I'd like to show you exactly what they pay. If you don't have a bank account, they can transfer money straight to your bank account. They can also transfer money to you using Skrill, PayPal, Amazon gift cards, and even free PayPal money straight to your account if you don't have those other methods. So you don't have to worry about payment. You will be paid. As you can see over here, people are also earning. So let us go ahead and take a look at this app. It's called Get Paid to OK. Get paid to earn money every time you go online. In this app, I will show you 5 different income streams. So let's check them out. Whenever you log into the app right now, you are going to hit login and it will take you to the members dashboard. There are a lot of things going on here. I don't want you to get confused. I want you to focus on the 5 income streams that I am going to show you. Don't get lost in doing things that won't make you a living. The first thing you can do to get started is to take surveys. This one isn't the highest paying, but it's definitely an easy one to get done right away. Okay, so what we will do is go to earn points by taking surveys. That will lead you here, which is a specific survey site. I'd like you to visit that website because I've tried all of this. I've tried Theorem Reach, you know, your surveys, your ads, but what I found that worked the best was the Redfire network. Redfire paid out the most for your opinions. They just asked you a few questions that took 2 to 5 minutes. You answered some questions. 2 points will be paid straight to your account, which can be converted into cash. So I recommend Redfire and Revenue Wall, which are both good options, so you can begin there. I want you to understand that the first income stream is Redfire, so now I will show you the second income stream, which is games. To do that, go to the dashboard and click on Play Games. That's going to take you right to the right place. Okay, now click on Strategy and you'll see that right now there are more rewards for playing games. They are currently paying out 500 points for playing games, but if you go to Strategy, I want you to scroll all the way down to this game right here, Sakabon. Okay, I'm really enjoying this game. With this particular income stream, you can earn the most. Okay, that's income stream number 2 on this site. Now I'm going to show you income stream number 3 on this site, which is Quick Points. First, you need to go to contests and go to Quick Points. Now these are fun and you can do them very quickly, right? It says Quick Points Weekly Contest. The cool thing about Quick Points is that they give you these little quick tasks that you can do, like the honey game right here where Engage hits Nightfall News. All you need to do is click on them and do what they require, but once you do these quick tasks, you won't be able to find anything else to do. In order to earn 5,000 points, the number 1 person will get 5,000 points on this leaderboard. So once you finish these, it's going to refresh. You can just keep doing it until you're number 1 on the leaderboard and you'll get 5,000 points that you can convert into cash. This happens every week, and all you need to do is do a few and you'll land on the leaderboard right here. So you can claim your free bonus, and it's great that they announce a new winner on this leaderboard every 6 days, every 7 days. This is the 3rd way. We'll move on to the 4th way, which is the highest paying. Then we'll move on to the 5th way. The fourth way is actually under games here. Next, we're going to have a raffle under GD, and the prize pool is 340,000 points, so you have to purchase some tickets. This one is fun because they draw every like 30 minutes and the prize pool is 340,000 points. Okay, this is a pay-to-play game, so you'll get 100 points if you purchase a couple hundred tickets. Because they do these drawings quite often, you know your chances of winning are pretty high. In this particular drawing, the last winner won 202,000 points, and the jackpot this time was 340,000 points. So this one is pretty fun, and you could just put a little bit of your points to use to make you more like significantly more, so this one is a good one. On this site, there are 4 income streams that you can earn from, which is pretty cool, but I'm actually going to jump to the highest paying one. Unlike the other 4, this is the least sought after because people are so focused on the last 4. During my demo, I showed you that most people forget about this one, which can earn you on Autopilot. If you go to the dashboard and scroll down, click on referrals. Now you can view your referrals. That leads you to this dashboard where it tells you what our top earners have in common. They let their friends do all the work, and they get paid to refer friends. That's cool because you'll have this little link right here. You're basically gonna earn 15 commission on whatever your friends earn once they sign up an account. So let's just say they earn 2,000 bucks a month. So whoever clicks on this link earns 15 commission for life. You earn $300 from that 15%. They are doing the job for you, and you get paid. Okay, so I will teach you how to get thousands of people to click your link. So let's take our link and copy it, and then go to this Facebook group called Make Money Online, which has over 100,000 people interested in making money online. It's a public group that has over 100,000 people that are interested in making money online. They want to know about opportunities like getting paid too. So just like this guy here, you're sharing your link in this group and you'll get thousands of people clicking and thousands of people earning on Autopilot for you. Thanks for watching this Top 4 Earn channel. I'll see you in the next one.